Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today, I'm going to be reviewing the best electric pressure washers on the market in 2024. I've tested all of these washers myself, and I'm going to give you my honest opinion on which one is the best. Hit the subscribe button, give a thumbs up or down, and comment about which one is best for you. Okay, let's get started. Number 1. Greenworks 2700 PSI electric pressure washer. It stands out as the best overall for its impressive combination of performance and value. It excels in high pressure and volume output, making for quick and effective cleaning. One standout feature is its continuously running motor, eliminating the need to constantly press the spray wand trigger, unlike many other electric models. Additionally, the pressure sensor automatically adjusts the output based on the nozzle you're using. Key features include large 10-inch wheels for easy mobility, an onboard soap tank, 5 spray nozzles, and convenient accessory storage. It also stores upright to save space while being designed to operate horizontally to prevent tipping. A generous 10-year motor warranty and a 3-year warranty on tools add to its appeal. The only downside is the hose outlet's close proximity, which can make access slightly inconvenient. Number 2. Sunjoe 2030 PSI electric pressure washer. This is an excellent choice for light-duty tasks and easy portability, especially on a budget. Despite its affordable price, it offers great value with 2 removable detergent tanks and 5 spray tips. One of its standout features is its ergonomic design. During testing, we appreciated how the outlets, switches, and handle were all thoughtfully placed for comfort and ease of use. With 2,030 pounds per square inch and a maximum flow rate of 1.2 gallons per minute, it delivers solid cleaning power for its class, making it ideal for tasks like cleaning pavement. However, it's worth noting that the washer can tip over on uneven surfaces, so it's best used on stable, flat ground. Number 3. DeWalt DWPW 3000 PSI compact pressure washer. This is a more powerful version of the 2100, offering an additional 900 PSI and enhanced wheels for better mobility. It retains the suitcase-style design, making it easy to transport with its telescoping handle, and includes convenient onboard accessory storage. This model organizes the wand, nozzle, hose, and power cord into designated spaces, plus a molded storage spot for the foam cannon, a feature absent in the previous version. During testing, it excelled on concrete, handling tasks like cleaning, degreasing, and removing moss and dirt. If it can tackle these tough jobs, it's more than capable for typical surfaces like vinyl siding and pressure-treated decks. While its 3,000 PSI offers strong stripping power, the 1.1 gallons per minute flow rate is on the lower side, making rinsing a bit less efficient. Number 4.500 PSI electric pressure washer. It impresses with a solid PSI and flow rate, almost matching our top pick, offering great functionality at a competitive price. We tested this unit on various surfaces, including vinyl fencing, concrete pavers, a stainless steel barbecue, patio furniture, vinyl siding, and both painted and pressure-treated wood, as well as vinyl and aluminum trim. It handled each with ease, showcasing its versatility. While the soap dispensing mode didn't perform as well when washing our pickup truck, this may have been due to the specific car wash detergent used. Overall, this pressure washer provides excellent performance for the price, making it a strong contender for a range of cleaning tasks. Number 5. Craftsman 2100 PSI electric pressure washer. It offers an excellent balance of power and convenience in a compact, lightweight design. Its large wheels and quiet operation make it easy to maneuver, while the turbo nozzle provides solid performance for medium-duty tasks like cleaning concrete. The extra-long 35-foot power cord and conveniently placed detergent tank are standout features, as is the secure slide-on spray wand mount, which prevents it from being easily dislodged. For the price, this pressure washer offers great value, similar to the Sunjoe. However, if you're looking to clean higher surfaces like second-story siding, you may want to explore other models with more power and reach. So, there you have it. Those are my picks for the best electric pressure washers in 2024. I hope this video has helped you make a decision on which washer is right for you. the best electric pressure washer overall is the DeWalt DWPW3000. It has the most power, the most features, and it's built to last. I hope this helps.